Look at these windshield wipers. They're all floppy and broke. There's a ton of these on the road. Every time I go through a parking lot or a strip mall, because I'm in the car business, I'm always looking at people's wipers and tires, and I see these all over. I've got so many examples of wipers hanging off. And I always ask customers, how many windshield wipers do you have? And they always go, 2. And I go, what about the back one on your SUV? And they go, oh, I always forget about that one. I go, I know. So something that's so cost effective to maintain your vehicle is extremely important. You know how when you're driving down the road and the rainstorm comes down or a snowstorm and you can't see anything on the windshield? That's when you remember, but by then it's too late. So you need to do it every 12,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. You can put them on yourself if you want. So yeah, I see these messed up windshield wipers all over when I'm walking into a parking lot or I'm walking through a restaurant. Because I'm in the car business, my eyes are always on people's windshield wipers and their tires, seeing if they need them. And I see these broken, floppy, torn ones all the time. So I've got lots of examples of broken windshields that I could show you just walking through a parking lot. I also took a heat gun and aimed it at this back window, not this one, but another one, because it's about to rain, which made me think of windshield wipers. And it was 150 something degrees, this back window. So imagine what that heat does to that windshield wiper for 12 months. Then you forget to do it because you're driving down the road and it's not raining, and winter kicks in, and now it's 1 degree, and this rubber is getting hard and messed up. So they take a lot of abuse for how safe they keep your vehicle and keep that windshield clean. So you can replace them yourself. You can go to an aftermarket store. I suggest taking it off and then going to the store because it never fails to get the wrong size. Or you can go to the dealership, have them check them out for you, and they'll replace them there while you wait. They used to be really cheap. Now windshield wipers are anywhere between $20 and $80. And you can put them on yourself, but I've seen people put them on and then they think they're on, and then they get in that heavy rainstorm and they turn them on and it flies off. So it's really good to have somebody that puts them on for a living so that they don't come off when you're going down the road. So there's several ways to check to see if they're doing it before you get in that torrential rainstorm, and that's if they chatter when they're going across, or they're skipping, or they're leaving smears. Because when they start smearing like that, they can actually scratch your windshield. And windshields these days are anywhere between $400 and $2,000, depending on what kind of car you have. So for something that's really cheap to fix on your car, I would go ahead and get them done every 12,000 miles or once a year. So don't wait until your wipers are all gross and cruddy and you embarrass yourself in front of the whole neighborhood. So go get some windshield wipers and be cool.